Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mindset, where we make personal finance easy and fun. In today's video, we're talking about something every new investor needs to know: how to avoid common mistakes. Investing can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can avoid some big mistakes. So, let's dive in and talk about the top mistakes new investors make and how to avoid them. Mistake number one: trying to time the market. A lot of new investors think they can predict when the market will go up or down, but here's the truth. Nobody can time the market perfectly. Even professional investors get it wrong. Instead of trying to guess the perfect time to buy or sell, focus on long-term investing. Mistake number two: not diversifying. Putting all your money into one stock or sector is super risky. If that stock tanks, so does your portfolio. Instead, spread your investments across different industries or asset types. This helps reduce risk because if one stock goes down, others might still go up. Mistake number three: panic selling. The market is going to have ups and downs, and when prices drop, your first instinct might be to sell to avoid more losses. But here's the thing. If you sell during a dip, you lock in those losses. Most of the time, the market will recover, so it's important to stay calm and not make emotional decisions. And finally, forgetting about fees. Small fees like transaction costs or management fees can eat into your returns over time. Before you invest, make sure you understand what fees are involved. Low-cost index funds or ETFs are great options for keeping costs down. So, what's the takeaway here? First, don't try to time the market. Invest for the long term. Second, diversify your investments to reduce risk. Third, don't let your emotions drive your decisions. And finally, always pay attention to fees. They might seem small, but they can add up over time. If you can avoid these mistakes, you'll already be ahead of most new investors. That's it for today's video. Investing doesn't have to be complicated, but it's important to avoid these common mistakes when you're starting out. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos on personal finance and investing.